Hi, my name is Scott and I'm from Nyack Exchange, and I'm here to demonstrate what is called a massage stick roller. I probably have shown you before on how to use a foam roller, and many patients will say to me, man, I just can't use that. That hurts so much on my leg. Is there something else I could use? And the answer is yes. Originally in my career, I would tell patients to get the dough roller that they would make cookies with and take that out of the kitchen cupboard and use, but now there is a device that works awesome. It has individual rollers, so it actually is more efficient. It fits better onto your leg than grandma's dough roller. Again, we're going to talk about the same structures we talked about when we used the foam roller, but you're now going to be in charge, your arm's going to be in charge of how much pressure you push through, okay? And after you have mastered this, then most often you can progress on to the foam roller. So again, IT band. This is the #1 structure that you want to try to beat up on. And again, this is another way of elongating the tissue. You can go straight on the side. You can work towards the front. You can work towards the hamstring. Again, 2-3 minutes to start out with. Here's that TFL muscle right there that attaches to your IT band. You really want to attack that if you're having any iliotibial band problems. You can work your calf. Again, you can work the medial aspect or the inside head of your gastroc muscle. You can work the lateral side. And again, it should feel like a good massage. Don't push so hard that it actually causes pain, but it should be good discomfort. Straighten out your leg, and you can attack your hamstring. And you can do those all kind of in combination with one another. Lastly, quadricep. You can even get into your groin muscle if you're having any tightness in your groin muscle. And again, I would, after you get done using this, then I would go to your traditional stretches of stretching out your quadricep muscle or your hamstring muscle or your calf muscle.